Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sheba Renee and thank you for tuning in with me today. I am sharing with you guys how I like to make my Shea Mango Aloe Butter. This is very hydrating and moisturizing. It's a sealant for my high porosity fine hair. I will be using raw shea butter for this recipe and raw mango butter. The two of these butters are very heavy butters and they definitely lock and hold the moisture in my hair for the fall. I like to wear my hair in twists. I like to keep my hair in protective styles during the fall, and this is the perfect recipe. So now I'm just going to place this mango butter, and I am going to take the shea butter and put this in this glass measuring cup. Set my stove to 6, and I am going to do the double boil effect for about 15 to 20 minutes. I will put a lid to speed up the process. At this time, you can hit that subscribe button for me, you guys, and that notification bell. I try to upload a video every week for you guys, so if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and drop some comments below. So here I am just cutting up this aloe vera plant, and I am going to get this ready to go in the blender. Be very careful because aloe vera is very slippery, slimy, and gooey, but it is so nourishing and hydrating for the skin and hair. I absolutely love it. I am chopping it up in smaller pieces just to make easy to blend up in a blender. Aloe vera all ready to go. And let's blend. You want to blend until you get a nice juice consistency, I should say, liquid consistency. I like to use these mesh straining bags that I purchased off Amazon. It's very easy to use. It catches all the pulp from the aloe vera and it strains out every last bit of the juice that you need, or I should say the aloe vera gel. So I'm just going to put it in this applicator bottle and I will set it aside until I am ready to put it into the butter. So it's been about 15 minutes or so now, and she is all good to go, you guys. So I will be using Emulsifying Wax, and this is good to hold and bind together water-based products and oil-based products. It helps to give this butter a smooth texture. So now I'm just going to blend that all together and set aside in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 to 20 minutes and now we're all set to go to add the aloe vera gel. So now I'm just going to blend that all together until I get to this creamy consistency to add more aloe. I will also be adding lavender oil for fragrance. It also helps clean follicles and it stimulates hair growth. Peppermint oil is a small preservative and also it stimulates hair growth. So now I'm just going to blend till I get that creamy consistency I'm looking for. Now that you have the consistency you're looking for, you have a fabulous hydrating, moisturizing sealant butter for your hair and a beautiful moisturizing body butter for your skin. So now I'm going to whip this up and I'm going to distribute it into containers and I will put them away until it is time for me to use it. Okay, so there you have it, Shea Mango Aloe Butter. Hydrating, moisturizing sealant for my fine high porosity hair and a beautiful body butter for my skin. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to tap my face to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.